This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition versus the Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro. Now they both have the Snapdragon 865. They both have 8 gigs of RAM. They're both on Android 10. S20 FE on its latest version of One UI. Poco F2 on its latest version of MIUI or MyUI. This should be an interesting matchup. Can't wait to see the results. Anyway, let's go ahead, turn on both phones at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition versus Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro speed test. Which one will have the faster boot up? Let's find out. Ooh, the Xiaomi? Looks like I'm gonna have to give it to the Xiaomi here. The Poco F2. Winner of the boot up. And we are in! Alright man, let's get right into the beeswax. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go like that. Whoops. I'm gonna go like that. I can't do it. What the hell? I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna clear that out. And do it again. My goodness, how many times? Alright, as you can see, no recently used apps on the S20 FE and no recent items on the F2 Pro. All apps, caches, browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, I think that was the S20. Messages. Ooh, I think that was the Xiaomi. But let me know in the comments. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. A little bit faster on the right. Clock on both phones. Ooh, very close. I think that was the S20, but let me know in the comments. We'll go ahead and fire up the stopwatch. Let that run, and then we do have the calculator. A little bit faster on the left. Play Store. Ooh, call that one a draw. Very close. And then let's see, I'm gonna click on this one. We'll leave it there, and then Amazon shopping. Very close again. I think that was the S20 by just a tiny bit. Okay, faster on the F2 Pro on that step. We'll click on this one. About the same. eBay. Ooh, very close to give this one to the F2. Let's see, what can I click on? I don't know. I'm just gonna click on 2 random apps. We'll leave it there. And then we do have the Super Mario Run on both. Straighten out the F2 a little bit. Both are loading. A little bit faster on the left. We'll tap to begin. Although the F2 with a comeback on the second step. Here we go. Loading on both phones. Oh, so close. Okay, I'm gonna let this run and see which one's a tiny bit faster. Let's see. Ooh, we'll give the win to the F2 Pro, but not by much. And what is this? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We'll play Subway Surf. Loading on both phones. A little bit faster on the F2. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Ooh, the F2 out in front. We'll give the win to the Xiaomi on this. And then we do have this one. I think the F2 is out in front. But we'll see what happens right now. And we'll give the win to the Xiaomi. Tap play. Whoops. And then PUBG, of course. Ooh, very close. Oh my goodness, which one? I think the FE is out in front. I don't know. Oh, we'll give it to the F2 Pro, but both are neck and neck. That could have gone either way, man. That was very close. We'll get rid of this. Get rid of that. Come on. Annoying pop-ups. Whoops. That's right, I forgot. I don't have swiping on the F2. Twitter. F2 by a little bit. IG. S20 FE. Snapchat. Ooh, very close. I think that was the F2, but let me know on YouTube, slow down the video for me. And then we do have Samsung Internet and Chrome. We'll do a real quick browsing test here. Just gonna check it out real quick. Okay, now did I do this right? I did not do it right. Actually, I did. Why is it not? Okay, we'll just click on the search result here. Okay, click on this one. A little bit faster on the right. Now, can you pinch to zoom? You cannot. So what I'm gonna do is go to the desktop version of this. Go. Let's find out which one is faster here. Ooh, pretty much the same. Maybe the F2, I don't know, slow down the video for me. Now you can take this with a grain of salt, because this also may have to do with the Wi-Fi speeds as well, right? But just to give you a general idea, pinch to zoom, not bad on the F2. However, oh wow, yeah, with the 120 Hertz of the S20, I mean, it's not even close. I mean, it's just so much better here. The 120 makes a huge difference, much better experience on the S20 FE. All right, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Now, on a side note, I do like how in MIUI or MyUI, the app switching here, it's this kind of design. It's pretty cool. However, on the S20 FE with the 120 Hertz, the swiping from left to right is so smooth. I love it. Anyway, we'll run through these apps again, and we'll have a look for any lag, any stutters. We'll take a note of it. Looking good so far on both. Here's the PUBG. Good to go on both phones. Very nice. And then this one. And what is this, an ad? That's quite annoying. Get rid of that. There we go. Right into the game, so no issues. This one. No issues on both. Subway Surf. Ready to resume on both. Temple Run 2, same thing, ready to resume. Boom. Mario Run. And we do have a reload on the FE. Okay, that's interesting. This one kept it in RAM. So take note of that. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store. A little bit of a stutter on the FE. Calculator, same thing. This one, clock still running in the background. The camera, have a look. Messages, faster on the FE. I think that was a reload on the F2, so one reload each. And of course, the phone app, faster on the S20 FE. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.